1. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. The President of India. 2. Which Ministry of the Government of India oversees all aspects of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. The Ministry of Defence. 3. How many main branches are there in the Indian Armed Forces? Answer 3. The Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. 4. Which is the second largest army in the world? Answer. The Indian Army. 5. Which is the seventh largest navy in the world? Answer. The Indian Navy. 6. Which is the fourth largest air force in the world? Answer. The Indian Air Force. 7. Which paramilitary force protects India's maritime interests? Answer. The Indian Coast Guard. 8. How many paramilitary forces are there under the Government of India? Answer. 7. 9. Which special force is responsible for anti-terrorist operations? Answer. The National Security Guard, NSG. 10. Which agency is responsible for defense research and development? Answer. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 11. Which organization produces weapons and ammunition for the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. The Ordnance Factory Board, OFB. 12. Which company produces electronic equipment for the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. 13. Which company produces aircraft and helicopters for the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. 14. Which company builds ships for the Indian Navy? Answer. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, MDL. 15. Which company builds ships for the Indian Coast Guard? Answer. Goa Shipyard Limited, GSL. 16. Which company produces missiles for the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. 17. Which joint venture produces supersonic cruise missiles? Answer. BrahMos Aerospace. 18. Name an intercontinental ballistic missile of India. Answer. Agni. 19. Name a short-range ballistic missile of India. Answer. Prithvi. 20. Name a surface-to-air missile of India. Answer. Trishul. 21. What is the motto of the Indian Army? Answer. Service before self. 22. What is the motto of the Indian Navy? Answer. Sham Number Varuna. May the Lord of the Seas be auspicious unto US. 20.